Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a faux washing up because I don't know how to do regular ones. I'm also going to be telling the backstory to this school photo that I took in 2nd grade. So this video is sponsored by CurlMix. They sent me their lavender wash and go system with organic jojoba oil for moisturizing hair. I have all the steps I need for wash day. So today I'm going to use the first 3. And you know how I like to do my full wash and goes. I save the gel for the 2nd day. So you guys will see. So I'm going to just rinse my hair under the water for like 2 minutes because it's really dry. And then I'm going to apply the shampoo. All the bottles have a pump, and this is the Clarifying Remove Build Up shampoo. It has a light fragrance, a light lavender scent. It's not overpowering. It feels clarifying for real because my hair feels squeaky clean already. My hair already feels squeaky clean just rubbing the shampoo through my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna rinse this out with warm water, and then we're gonna start with the conditioner. Okay, so I applied some conditioner all over the perimeter of my head and on the ends. So now I'm just gonna apply it in sections, smooth it on the hair. Get out this side section and clip up the rest. Okay, so this is the conditioner. Number 2, step 2, hydrating with Ultra Slip. And it also has the lavender scent. Okay, so this pumps really easily for a conditioner. I'm really happy that it comes out very easily out the pump. And I don't have to do extra to get it out. I'm just gonna smooth it on the hair, rake it through. There you go. My hair looks so nice with this conditioner on. Okay, so I just need like 2 pumps. I did not towel dry my hair. Remember, I let the conditioner soak up whatever water was left in my hair before I came up to do this. So my hair is still damp. If you need to re-wet your hair while applying your conditioner, you should do so with a spray bottle filled with warm water. Just rake it on, and this section is done. And I do feel like that slip they're talking about, I feel it in my fingers. My hair just like let me slip my fingers through. So now let's do this side. Yeah, 2 pumps is all I need for a section like this. Now I just got out 4 pumps. Alright, so now I gotta do the back, and then we can be done with the conditioner. Okay, so the conditioner's on. This is how we're looking. Okay, the conditioner bottle says, that's that good slip. Okay, it doesn't really say how long to keep it on, so I'm gonna rinse with some warm water and I'll be back. So let's rinse. Okay, so I did the same thing. I put the conditioner on over the tub on the perimeter of my head like so, and on some of my ends. And now we can apply it in twist. So usually I have a bang, so like all of this will be my hair. Okay, so basically I use my ear as a guide for this, and same thing on this side, the ear. So all of this will be like the bang front section. So this is the Pure Avocado Moisturizer. It has organic jojoba oil. Step 3, it still comes out nice. It's like more greenish yellowish. I'm just gonna apply it all over first. On this step you might need a spray bottle because the twisting takes time, but I'm gonna apply the moisturizer now while my hair is damp, and I'm gonna put it on the back too. Alright, let's work on this section first. Pin that up, and I'm using my favorite brush. And then twist it up real tight. It's so slippery, like This is really good for detangling. Super slippery. So yeah, this is step 1 of my full wash and go. It is a 2-step process. The smaller, the more definition. So make sure you're doing this at a reasonable time. The earlier the better, because once you're done twisting, then like you can sit in front of a fan, let your hair air dry, or you can sit under a hair dryer if you like, to speed it up just to make sure. So it's really easy to detangle with this moisturizer. Look at how the moisturizer is like clumping the curls. I love it. Alright, so it's helpful to put the moisturizer on the whole section. It just helps you not use a lot and use just enough. This one has avocado in it, and you guys know I love using avocado on my hair and angle it down toward my face. I really love how it's clumping up the curls like a gel almost. So now we have to do the back. The backstory to this 2nd grade picture, you see the smile, the eyebrows, the cute little twist. Okay, so my mom did my hair the night before. She probably did it with water and grease. I don't know what kind of comb. My hair was thick and it was not trained. It wasn't trained like this. It was like really dry all the time. So my mom did my hair the night before with the ballie. So then the next day I go to school. It was time to take pictures. The photographer was like, smile. And I thought back to my other pictures. I think I had a tooth missing in one of them. So I was like, so that I didn't show the tooth missing, and I took the pictures like that. The photographer did not say anything like, maybe you should smile, let's retake that, you know. I thought it would look like this, but it didn't. It looked like this, because I wasn't trying to show my teeth. So yeah, I don't know how long pictures took to get back then. They probably took like a couple weeks or a month or something. I don't remember. My mom ordered a whole slew of those pictures. She ordered different sizes, big, wallet size to give away. And when they came in, she was upset because my smile was looking like that. And she said, why'd you smile like that? I said, I don't know. She was really upset at first, but it looks like she didn't stay upset because she framed it. But yeah, that's my 2nd grade picture day story where the pictures didn't come out right. I don't know. I like the outfit, but I still think it's cute, the little smile. But yeah, look at the curly. So my twists are done all around. They're so shiny, frizz-free. Look at them, they're gorgeously done. Now you just have to let them air dry. They should be dry by tomorrow. I'm gonna sit in front of the fan. Tomorrow we're going to use step 4, which is the gel, to define the end and do our full wash and go. So see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, so it's like a few days later. My hair is still pretty soft. We're gonna use number 4, which is Flaxseed Gel. It's moisturizing and it's made with organic jojoba oil and lavender fragrance. And now I'm getting the gel. It's like a creamy gel. So you want to take the twist apart. Okay, you want to put the gel on the ends without separating, and then start coiling. Okay, so again, this is the other half of the twist. I didn't separate it yet. I'm going to smooth the gel up the ends and then separate. Notice that I'm not going all the way up to the middle. The gel is only being applied to the end. And separate and shingle coil or whatever. So here's the back. Smooth it up the end. Okay, last one. Okay. So now the ends are coiled. So now I'm gonna let them air dry, and then I'll come back to you guys when my hair is completely dry. So I drove around and ran some errands for a few hours and my hair completely dried. So these are the results afterwards. Okay, y'all, so this is how my hair looks dry. It looks pretty good. The gel didn't take long to dry at all. It was like a creamier gel and not like a hard gel. My ends feel very defined and my hair is still soft. So overall, I love the CurlMix 4-step system. I definitely recommend it. All 4 steps were all moisturizing and I love them all. Check out CurlMix for yourself using the link in the description. Thank you, CurlMix, for sponsoring this video. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.